1, 2, 3, microphone check. One, two, three, microphone check. Okay, sound is fixed. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel QANSIGLIERE. Today I am continuing to develop some additional methods for my library. This library emulates the card behavior, and in the card we can add some items, we can change its quantity, we can calculate its tax amount, and different methods. And let's work on it. So let's create a new branch. Let's open GitHub desktop application. Let's refresh our main branch. Yesterday we merged latest changes. Let's create a new branch, the form, create and publish it. Okay, let's launch Visual Studio Code. It's wrong library. Let's open another one. Card. Okay. Let's check our test cases. New terminal, npm test. Okay, one test is failed because we didn't have a method to calculate item tax amount and item tax and item price. So let's change it. Let's work on it. All work with card we do in card.js file. What we want to do, first of all, let's change package.json file, change version, done. And here we can start working on methods for cart itself. Yesterday we created a method to add any item to the cart, and let's extend the logic and let's check. Let's develop method calculate item price, because based on item we can calculate its taxes. So what we receive product. Product will be received additionally from item. And what else we need to know? We need to know quantity. Okay, so let's open product model. In product we have applied taxes, applied modifiers, and let's open modifiers model. It has only name and price. Okay, let's implement it. So when we add new item, we should calculate its modifier prices, and based on it we can calculate the total price. So let's use method calculate item modifier prices. So we have product, and what we could do, so arrays JSON. We have some embedded method to work with arrays, and this method allows us to calculate item prices. check. This one page is the best documentation for JavaScript, and what methods we have? Static method, find, reduce. Okay, so let's use reduce method. Technically it's a counter for an array. So let modifier item modifier price. By default it should equal to 0, and it should return item modifier prices. Okay, so what we should do, we use product. From product we take a look on applied modifiers array. Done. And for it we should use reduce method. Okay, so we do let let's change it. Okay. Let item modifier prices equal to reduce pref value current value, and we do pref value plus current value, and it begins from 0. Okay, and if this item modifier prices is not false, we return this object or 0. Okay, so we need to validate this function in itself. Okay. Okay, from modifier we have two items, price and name. But in case if we work with product, it should has a quantity, so it should be let me move this page. Okay, technically it should be accumulator begins from 0, and for current value we use price multiply on current value quantity. Okay, and it should return or 0 or price. Okay. And for this calculation we should use normalize function. Okay, done. Let's check one moment. Inspect, cancel, let a equal 123 minus 125, multiply on 4. Okay, and number from A to fixed 23. Okay, perfecto. Let's go back. So when we add modifiers to product, we also should calculate two additional parameters. Item price amount, and to calculate price we should use return normalize from product price plus this calculate item modifier from product, and both these values should be multiplied by product by quantity. Done. Okay, so here we should use this calculate item price from product. Okay, and let's check it. Item tax amount. Okay, what we could do here. Okay, what we should do for item. For item, calculate item tax. We have product, we have product, and probably that's all information what we need. We return normalized value, and from what we took product, item price, value, so technically it should be calculated first, and we should multiply it on the sum product plus let item applied taxes equal to product. For product we have applied taxes, reduce method, initial value is 0, and here we could use accumulator current value, and we do normalize from accumulator plus current value, and for taxes we have tax rate field. So technically at the end we should calculate all available taxes, right? And here we provide or item or 0, and for let order applied taxes equal to we supplied taxes reduce, and technically we do the same stuff. Done. And here we validate what we have non-false value, return it or 0. Done. Oh, it will be very funny. Okay, so what we do here is from product done. Let's check it. Okay, not a number. Why it's not a number? Here we take prevailing tax rate. We have new item. Okay, let's use this one method. Just take these two values here. Okay. And here quantity, calculate item price. Calculate item price. It requires quantity. Okay. This is the reason why we have not a number. And to calculate tax, let's keep these two values. Okay, and here we just take product price. Okay, let's do it. And we technically fixed the issue. Okay. Just to check. Just for fun. So create a new blank card with prevailing tax and product with modifiers and quantity too. So what we do, we create, remove me, it's just for testing. Let's create a product brownie with price $5.99. Quantity is 2 and let's create new modifier with price 0, name sugar, and let new modifier 1, it will be modifier with price 99 cents and name cat tube. Okay, done. So for new product we have applied modifiers and it contains two items. Okay, and quantity equals to 2, and the same for second one modifier. Quantity is 2. We add two products. Let's check the test. Okay, in the cart we have one item, but quantity of this item is 2. And let's check item price. Technically, item price should be $5.99 plus 182, 797. This is sorry. 797 should be multiplied by 2. $5.99 plus first modifier plus second one modifier, and quantity is 2. Plus 198 and multiply on 2. Quantity should be total item price should equal 15.94. 15.94. Let's investigate where we are wrong. Console log JSON string 5 from new cart. Okay, let's run it. And let's use JSON parse. JSON parse. Okay, yeah, tags is correct. Okay, my mistake. Okay, technically it works well. Okay, let's say what quantity is 1. $5.99 plus 99 multiply on 2. Okay, calculation works well. So let's remove it. Okay, for the card, probably normalize method is not used at all. Product, okay, done. We could use product item tax rate and this calculate item tax rate from product. Okay. Calculate item modifier price. Item price calculation with two methods. Done. Item tax rate calculation. We will create this new function from product and here. And item tax calculation, we should copy this function. Okay, so what we should do here, we should return let item tax rate equal to product okay, and we should return or item tax or 0, right? And calculate item. Done. Okay, so here we should ignore item applied taxes. We should use this one parameter. Okay, console log product. Okay, wrong one. Okay, let's make a note. Remove me, and here let's keep it back. Okay, let's change quantity to 2. This one is not needed. Okay, item tax included, item price amount. Okay, it's interesting. What item? That's because I do not have any applied taxes for it. Cost. Okay. New product. Applied taxes. New item tax. ALC 10%, and let's say what it's new item tax. Okay, let's run it again, and price modifiers applied. Okay, let's take a look at this. Item tax rate is 0. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So this one test case could be removed. Done. This one could be removed, and what we do here, we remove this one part. Price calculated from product and quantity. Tax amount calculated based on product price and tax amount. And item, okay. Calculate. If and product is untaxed. False. Copy and calculate item applied taxes and this one parameter. Let's check. Let's come back. Something is wrong. Okay, and if we say what item is untaxed, true. Okay, and this one. Okay, that's all for today. Change list, in this case is product 0, one product. Okay, done. A lot of test cases we need to implement in near future. But good news, what actually a huge part of changes is already implemented. Okay, let's double check our tests. They right now work. So a huge part of changes is already done. Actually, it's not bad. So let's commit changes. Part day 4, push, push. Compare. Okay, let's merge it. And let's publish it. npm publish. Okay, it should be good. Forgot to refresh main. Okay. New text should be added. 040. Create a new tag and publish. Okay, and check releases. Done. And that's it for today. Thank you guys. Feel free to subscribe to the channel.